John Mellish here, one of the owners of Mellish Consulting Partners and a developer of our training program, Mastering Disasters 101. In these short video series that we're doing, we're going to have questions and answers from contractors that have asked Winnie and I about our program and how things work. We've met a lot of these contractors over the course of doing seminars around the country. So, what we're going to start with is how can contractors who work in the disaster and insurance restoration field make money with the overhead and the profit, the percentages that the insurance companies normally set. Now, insurance companies generally set the overhead and profit level for their claims. In most places in the country, it's 10 and 10. 10% profit, 10% overhead. But it can go as high as 15 and 10 cumulative. Now, there's two reasons why we can make money with that profit and overhead. The first one is, most of the time we will land, and insurance restoration contractors will land about 90% of the estimates that they write. And the second reason is that the pricing is fair. So let's look at the first reason. How many dead estimates do you do? In other words, how many times you go out and do an estimate? If you do 10, how many of those jobs that you get? Well, we consistently get 8, 9 out of 10 jobs. And talking to contractors around the country, if they do 10 estimates, it always comes back the same. John, we usually get 1, 2, maybe 3 estimates at best. So why do you want to go out and waste time and effort doing estimates that you know you're not going to get? So why are we successful at landing 90% of these jobs? The referrals are qualified. And what do I mean by that? They come from adjusters and from insurance agents. The homeowner will have damage to their home. The agents will be asked, do you know anybody that can help us do the repairs? Or an adjuster will come out, can you help us? And they will say, yep, we have qualified contractors, we have a list of them, we've worked with them before, give so-and-so a call. Give John Mellish a call, he'll come out and do an estimate. So the disaster insurance restoration is a very relationship-driven business. You'll help out the adjuster by getting his policyholder taken care of, get the claim off his desk, and it's settled. They will love you to do that. Most adjusters have, at any one time, 40, 45 jobs, open files on their desk. Now, how much overhead does that save you? Well, it doesn't cost you a dime. The referrals are coming to you. You're not out there marketing individuals or homeowners. You're working with the insurance companies directly. They're giving you name out. The second reason that these percentages work for us is the pricing is fair. There are several different estimating programs out there, but they're all basically the same. You'll be able to do a line item estimate using the pricing for a geographical area that you're in. So when you do the estimate, you give it to the insurance adjuster. He's already agreeing with the numbers that you have. You're using software that they all use. So by using that database, it saves us time and overhead. We don't have to research every single little price. We use the generic estimating software. You know, the numbers, they may not be exact, but it's basically good, better, and best. Use your own judgment on which it should be. The insurance companies will love you for that. That's what they want, line item estimating, using estimating programs that they're familiar with. So we'll be doing more mini training videos like this to help other contractors and remodelers like you and builders to learn more about structural insurance restoration. So come back several times and we'll be doing these videos and answering more questions for you on insurance restoration. John Mellish here, Mastering Disasters 101. Check us out, masteringdisasters.com.